ki arpo khandai ngut ki MDC ka JHDC banang shidap panthamai ba jet de upat ba na ki constituency ba pher ka rilum jantia hne ka sngi ki la Shim Smai hapo ka yendor bar thawan ka JHDC yakini ki arpo khandai ngut ki MDC lawan ban pan Smai do deputy commissioner ka West Janti Hills u Abhinav Kumar Singh ki arpo khandai ngut ki MDC kanthop na ka war West uba melding Mswer naka war central uba jam shaprang potam naka war west uba head potmi na amwi klitirshi ba madon bai rambai mukla umulong ba nehimaya lamare momendai nokro ba jesi suyam nartiang wayajer ba reforming san lamare mudop umladang ba thombor shiwan mensu nongjingi kakongla ai wan lam jinghun kriam na mensngat khanduli uba penshwa nangleng na Shillong mentang ba da emiliam na barato mukro ba aibor lang shadam na sapai sa snyang uba rikut pareng mukayaw uba womanship shadam na ralyang bisonroy yano na shangpong ba mi ningkong sutenga na nang ba mi mentudu ba jerasentus susngi na jowai north uba auhai androshalai na jowai south uba moonlight parian na mutong sokumpor ba suki lapasam na tuber wapung uba laski rembai na musniang rengat ba wailat damishwa siangshai na rembai kliriat kong violet lingdo na sutenga narwan ba sebor lang shadam na sutenga nong kli ba hambatus nong tudu na sumer uba kristen langstang na saipung nong kli ba lal williama theite na narpu kong Dewi Paya Tongper na Batau Lakadong u Dr. Sanki Shangpung.
I welcome all the newly elected members of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council who are attending the session for the purpose of taking oath or affirmation ceremony today. We are all well aware that our business for today is oath taking or affirmation for all of you. Before we proceed ahead, I would like to read out the orders of the Governor confirming upon the Deputy Commissioner of West Jhadc Hills District to preside over the first session of Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. The notification reads like this. The notification number ECA 26/2025/36 dated 25th February 2025. The point number 1 says at 11 a.m. on 27th February, that is Thursday, for subscribing of oath or affirmation by the newly elected members of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council. Point number 2 at 11 a.m. on 28th February, that is Friday, for the election to the office of the chairman of the said council. Point 3 at 2 p.m. on 28th February, that is Friday, for the election of the chief executive member of the said council. The Governor of Meghalaya is also pleased to direct the Deputy Commissioner, West Jhadc Hills District Jhadc, shall preside over the meeting of the council indicated at point number 1 and point number 2 above, to administer the oath or affirmation to the newly elected members of the council under Rule 24 of the aforesaid rules and to conduct the election for the office of the chairman of the said council. The meeting specified at point 8 shall also be presided over by the chairman to be elected. Now, I would like to call upon the Secretary, District Council, to read out the names of the newly elected members representing the 29 District Council constituencies.
I, Srimati Devi Piyaki Tongper, having been elected from 28 Narpo District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I,
Sri Segolang Shirap, having been elected from 24 Sutangandawan District Council constituency as member of District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance of the Constitution of India as by law established, and I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
I,
Shri Amatu Samdu, having been elected from 25 Sumanapalli District Council constituency as a member of the District Council of the Jhadc Hills Autonomous District, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.